Okay, hi guys. So today I wanted to find out what happens if you put a tablet in the microwave. And I will put it there for 1 minute and I want to see what happens. It can be dangerous, but I heard people saying that if you put like a spoon or something, the microwave can break or something can blow up or something. I'm not sure. Well, I want to see what happens if you put a tablet in there for 1 minute. So let's see what happens. Now we just have to wait 1 minute. Well, it was about 1 minute, so let's see what happened. Well, basically, nothing really happened. So, my tablet is still working and stuff. So, I put my tablet in the microwave for 1 minute, and you see that nothing happened. So, yeah, that's the end of this video. Bye.